Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to use creatine. Creatine is a naturally occurring compound, a small tripeptide found in your muscle cells and in foods like meat. It plays a crucial role in rapidly producing adenosine triphosphate, or ATP, which is your body's quick energy source for high-intensity activities. Supplementing with creatine can significantly boost your muscle's creatine stores by 20 to 40%, enhancing your performance. When it comes to dosage, you have two main options. You can start with a loading phase, taking 20 grams per day, typically split into 4 5-gram doses for 5 to 7 days. This method rapidly saturates your muscle creatine stores. Alternatively, you can skip the loading phase and go straight to a maintenance dose of 3 to 5 grams daily. While slower, taking about 1 month for full saturation, both methods achieve the same results over time. For the best results, Jeff Nippard emphasizes that creatine monohydrate is the most effective and extensively studied form available. Regarding timing, research indicates that it doesn't significantly matter when you take your daily dose. Consistency is key. Furthermore, there's no need to cycle off creatine. Decades of scientific research confirm its safety and efficacy for continuous, long-term use without adverse effects. Creatine offers significant benefits, including an increase of about 2 to 3 extra pounds of lean muscle mass and a 5 to 15% boost in maximal strength and power. It also helps muscles appear fuller due to intramuscular water retention, which is a positive effect. It's important to note that roughly 1 in 4 people are considered non-responders, meaning they may not experience these benefits.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.